I'm Todd Crane, Senior VP of Finance here at Domo. And like most finance professionals out there, I have a lot of data that I'm trying to bring together to provide insights to my business partners in the company, and Domo is crucial to being able to do that. So Domo is a full stack BI platform, and in finance, something that we use to connect to all of our various data sources across the company, and not just in finance, but really across the entire company. Like most companies out there today, we have dozens and dozens of different data sources that have important, valuable information that we need to run our business. And Domo allows us to go in, tap into that information wherever it lives, bring it into a consolidated platform, and then visualize, action on, and utilize that data to run our company. What we've been able to do with Domo is automate a lot of those repetitive manual tasks that we used to do in Excel. And what that's done for our team is allowed us to get out of the weeds, so to speak. It's allowed us to have more time to not only be calculating the numbers, but analyzing the numbers, looking at the results, seeing trends, raising our hand when we see things that are concerning, and being able to help influence the direction of the company, keep us moving in a good direction, as opposed to just constantly being stuck doing all these manual reporting tasks in Excel. The benefit of using Domo with a tool like NetSuite is being able to harness all that super valuable data that we've been collecting inside of our accounting system and bring it into a place where we can join it with data from other systems, build visualizations and apps that allow people to see and understand what's happening with our company, and then distribute those insights out to the people in the company that need them, right? To the right people with the right level of governance, so that they can see and action on that data to run their part of the business. Part of the Domo platform is our connection layer, 1,000 pre-built API-based connectors that can get at your data wherever it lives. We've got a number of other connectors to get to your on-prem data, to get data from SFTP sites and so forth. And of course, we have dedicated connectors for NetSuite. The two that I use the most, one, the Save Search connector. That allows you to connect into NetSuite and grab a Save Search. So to be able to go into Domo, specify the ID number of that Save Search, set it to refresh on a regular cadence, and then have that data available to you to easily join with data from other systems is super valuable. Another connector that we have available is the Suite Analytics connector. And what that allows you to do is connect into your NetSuite data through an ODBC connection, which is super performant, super fast, where you can refresh millions of rows of data in a matter of seconds. The place I usually start is with our executive summary dashboard, where we've got a number of different metrics there, kind of the top 12 or 15 different metrics that we use to run our company. As we're closing the books, those numbers are updating in Domo, and when we finish closing the books, those numbers are ready to go. However, there are a number of other metrics on that dashboard that are derived from the GL data, but not directly available from NetSuite. Those are the metrics I mentioned earlier, where we had to spend a lot of time in Excel, manually doing those metrics, and we used to spend upwards of 5 to 7 business days calculating these other metrics in Excel. And that was frustrating for me, that was frustrating for my team, it was frustrating for our executive team to not have this suite of metrics available. With Domo, we were able to take those manual processes, offload them into the connection layer, that ETL, the transformation layer that we talked about earlier, and automate those metrics. So as we sit here today, every metric on that page is updated within about 20 minutes of us closing the books. So we've taken that 5 to 7 business day process and shrunk it down to virtually zero, which has greatly accelerated our ability to get that dashboard to our executive team and to our business partners throughout the company. And then it's allowed my team to be more strategic, again, have time to actually analyze the results. What do they mean? What do we need to be doing as a company? Add more value as opposed to just being stuck in Excel constantly. NetSuite is a very important part of our tech stack here at Domo. Having something like Domo to pair with NetSuite is really powerful. I have a lot of important data in NetSuite, but I also have a lot of important data in other systems as well, and I need to be able to bring that data into one place, join it together, and do my analysis to be able to see where the company's going, where it should be going, raise my hand, be able to provide insights to the leaders in the company of what's going on.